Hey there, this is Julian from the Binary Lab, and I'm from Singapore. So, this video is titled Binary Options, Singapore, Binary Options Trading in Singapore. And I know some of you coming across this video, you're either looking into binary options trading, you're looking for groups that you can join in that are in Singapore. You're looking for a good broker that serves Singapore customers well. So that's essentially why I want to put together this video, basically to get your attention and to actually show you that such a group exists. And in fact, I want to gather more of you that are interested in binary options trading so that we can trade together. So a little bit about me. I used to be running a traditional business in sports, and along the way I also started to get interested in forex trading. I went for a couple of seminars and courses on forex trading, local and as well as online. I bought softwares, manuals, and whatnot that most of you probably also bought into. And did it work out well? Well, I did make money, but in the end I realized that forex, I didn't know that stop loss would not necessarily save your account. And as a result, I actually had a large account blown out because there was one economic incident where the price had leaped so much in a short instant that it went past the stop loss. It got past the stop loss, and as a result of that, the account was being blown. So when I found out about binary options, I saw that it was a less risky way to trade, because in a good situation, true, you make less than forex, because in a good situation you still make between 70% and 91% of the amount that you have staked on that trade. But on the flip side as well, let's say if you were trading maybe a local stock like Sheng Siong IPO, right? If Sheng Siong IPO at like 45 cents or 48 cents, I can't remember exact figures, but imagine on the day of IPO, if it did not spike up as you predicted, what are you going to do? Would you would, if it went down against you and you bought a lot of lots on that on the stock market, what's going to happen? This is what's going to happen. You have paid your brokerage fee, depending on the broker that you use. For me, I use DMG for my stock trading in the past, and they charge like 25 bucks in and out. Okay. Second thing, paper losses. So you're responsible for paper losses and your in and out trades. And of course, there's going to be a realized loss if you close the trade. So the upside, well, the upside is anything. It can be a little bit, it can be a lot. If it went in, it went the correct direction. It went up from 45 cents to 63 cents, and you quickly sell. That is a nice, 30% or so gain. And if you have a large amount of money, what is 25 bucks, right? But what if it fell from 45 cents to let's say 29 cents on opening day, and then second day, third day, still the same thing? You've lost a significant amount of your capital, and you still have to pay those fees. Binary options, what happens is this. Binary options, if you staked a $300 option on this one, if it goes up at the end of the day by 1 cent, just 1 cent, the smallest decimal place, you actually make up between 70% and 91% based on the kind of contract that you select. Is it going to be a 60-second contract, a 5-minute contract, a half-an-hour contract, or a 2-hour contract? And you immediately get that. On the flip side, if it doesn't turn out the way you want, in stocks you can lose more than your stop loss is not fixed, right? You have a stop loss, but it doesn't totally limit your loss in a sense. Over here, your loss is limited at that 300 bucks. So that's a very quick note about how binary options works. There have been seminars in Singapore in binary options, but it's been a couple of years back. I know the last guy that did was Kishore, and that was a couple of years back. Ever since then, no one has been doing this, and more importantly, I have not been able to find a successful binary options trading group. And today I want to share with you that I have a binary options trading group. This is not a physical Singapore group, but there's a lot of Singaporeans who are in this group called the Binary Lab. So I have a website beneath this video. It's called theBinaryLab.net. I encourage you to check out my site and fill out the application form if you want to check it out. And the best part is that for a limited time, you can actually join for free as long as you actually open a broker account through my site. Alright, so that's the invitation I'm extending to you guys, fellow Singaporeans. And the members that we have in the group basically are from all over the world. I would say about 30-40% are from the United States, but the second biggest percentage is actually Singapore. I have about like 25% or something like that from Singapore. Singapore and Malaysia, also a fairly significant amount. So we've been having like trade gatherings from time to time, and we have like Facebook and Skype communities where members get to interact and share advice. And recently we even had some of our traders branching off into advanced trading group that's also within our community, and they're actually making a full-time income from trading. So I welcome you in advance to binary options trading in Singapore with the BinaryLab.net, and I want to welcome you to join my team. Thank you. Goodbye.